guys, it's Sandro here with just a quick video today with my second modification on my Honda Monkey motorcycle, which is this set of mirror extenders. They're from a company called MC Motor Parts. They're made from aluminium and come in a large variety of colours, but I think this golden yellow colour is perfect for my banana yellow monkey. Before we get to the super easy and quick installation, I'm just going to show you how the stock mirror setup looks. And I've already installed the left mirror extenders, so you can compare the two. I actually love the way the original stock mirrors look, and the last thing I was going to do is replace them with some bar end mirrors that I just don't think suit this bike at all. But the issue with the stock mirrors for me was visibility. Now for average to smaller riders, they may in fact be fine with the stock mirror setup, but for average to larger riders, it's going to be a little difficult to properly see past your shoulders without having to sway your body to the side. And if it takes you more than a split second to check your mirrors, then that's way too long to have your eyes off the road. So the mirror extenders really aren't a cosmetic modification, but a safety one, just like my first modification, which was the rear shock upgrade. So to remove the stock mirror, you just need a 14mm spanner. Start by breaking the nut, which is a reverse thread, so you need to turn it in a clockwise direction to loosen it, and then just spin it up out of the way. The larger nut below is a standard thread, so you need to turn it in a counterclockwise direction to break it, and then you can just grab the mirror stand and turn it counterclockwise until it comes off. For the MC motor part extenders, you'll need a T5 Torx key to tighten the screw head. But just thread it in by hand, then only partially tighten it with the T5 key so you can still turn the extender to the right position before you completely tighten it down. I'm setting the angle of the mirror extenders for maximum length and visibility, but you can also set it in a little to suit your bike and riding position. Once you feel you have the extender in the right position, it's just a matter of reversing the removal of the mirror and nuts to fit them onto the end of the mirror extender. And it goes without saying that you can simply loosen the bolts again to make some further adjustments to reposition the mirrors and angles to best suit your visibility. Although these mirror extenders only lengthen the mirrors by 40mm and prop them up by only 35mm, it actually makes a world of difference. And after testing them on a ride, I can tell you that I can now see perfectly behind me with just a quick glance without having to sway my shoulders to one side. They're probably going to be the cheapest and easiest modification I do, but definitely one of the most important ones. And I also don't mind the way they look, which is a nice bonus. As always, I really hope you guys enjoyed and found this video useful. Please like, comment and subscribe to this channel to show your support for these videos, and I'll see you guys soon.